After watching this video, you'll be able to play 10 new drum fills. What's up everyone, CJ here, hope you're all doing well. I'm not going to do much talking at all on this drum lesson because this is all about you beginner drummers out there learning 10 new drum fills, not me talking about drum fills. Before we get started, all my channel members out there can download everything from this lesson via the link in the members community tab. So if you want the transcripts of this lesson and my audio tracks to practice to, consider joining the channel membership. Okay, let's get started. We've got 10 really easy drum fills to get through, and the cool thing is that all of these drum fills work with practically anything. They can be played across multiple different genres, and most of these fills are what you're going to use in professional settings as well. I'm going to show all of these fills with a groove so you can play along if you want to, and every fill will have a section of variations on how you can play these fills at the second half of this video. Grab your sticks everyone, here we go. Now I'm going to show you some variations of these drum fills, and remember to apply them to your drum set. Alright my friends, those are 10 drum fills that can basically turn into 100 drum fills with some variations. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe as well. I really appreciate it. If you want to check out even more fills for beginners, you can check out that playlist right up here. Thank you so much for watching everyone, and good luck with your drumming. I'll see you soon.